Okay, YouTube, welcome back. Redneck Man 454 here. We're going to be doing another cold start today. As you can see, fresh powder. It's 0 degrees out right now. So let's go see if we can start the 4BT annual video I put up for you guys. I want to say this is the coldest cold start that I've done with this truck. And this year might be harder than others because this last summer I got rid of the dual battery setup and I put a single in it. So let's see. And you guys might notice different background than last time. I moved into a new place. Videos still on that. It is cold out. It actually freezes my nostrils a little bit when I try breathing. So, anyways, I tried starting it. It failed. This is the first time we've had a failed cold start on this thing. I'm gonna have to get the battery charger on it, and I do have a block heater for it. It actually has one factory. Just needs the cord. So some people asked about that in the last video. So I figured I'd try starting it in this weather, 0 degrees. It was a failed start, but stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching. Make sure and hit that like button for the algo. Please, please hit the like button. Thank you.